Kardom. Are you all aware why on 17 October Mourn are observed as the National Mourn Day or Black Day for the Karbi community? So here the real story behind. Back on 17 October 2005, when the two Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council passenger buses were traveling from the Jirikindeng areas, they were attacked by the Dimasa militants and massacred many peoples. And majority of the peoples were the Karbi community, including the men, women and children. The incident was happened at Charchim-Prisek Village at West Karbi Anglong. Falling on that particular day, the miscreants of Dimasa also raided the village and killed many villagers. Almost 41 people were killed and most of them were the Karbis. The causes of the brutal incident was rooted in the long history of ethnic conflicts, land and resources conflicts between the Karbis and the Dimasa's community in the region. The immediate cause of the massacre at Charchim-Prisek Village was on 26 September 2005 when 3 Dimasa auto rickshaw drivers were found dead near the town of Manja. Hence, the Dimasa miscreants suspected the Karbis communities and so followed a revenge attack at the village of Charchim-Prisek. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has erected a memorial site at West Karbi Anglong to commemorate the victims by prayers, by lighting up the candles as a tribute, and to set their souls to eternal peace. But after years of decades, justice could not prevail. The tragedy of Charchim-Prisek has left a deep sorrow and scares all over Karbi Anglong. The story of Charchim-Prisek serves as a future reminders that such a senseless violence and abuse attack is not the permanent solutions of the conflicts or issues, but rather to seek solutions through non-violence, peace, harmony and solidarity in the region. Thank you.